Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the offline viewing in YouTube Kids. So let's say you head on a trip with no Wi-Fi and you need to keep your kids entertained without burning through mobile data. So actually YouTube Kids allow you to download videos and watch them completely offline. And this is the step-by-step on how you can do it. So first, you just need to enable the downloads. You can go to the parent settings and make sure that the offline mode or the downloads feature is switched on. And now you can just download the video. So let's choose the video that you want to download. So for example, I'm going to download this ones right here. You can click on the three dots icon and there will be this options to download video. So tap on that option and just wait until the video is fully downloaded. But to be noted that not all videos are available to download because some of the creators might be turn off the download or not allow you to download its content. And to find where the downloaded, you can just go to your stuff and here click on the download tab. So this is where your downloaded videos will be. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks.